When I was a child, I had a parakeet. I called him Bartholomew. He lived in a cage with blue bars. I loved Bartholomew. Bartholomew was a fine bird. He had a sweet song. He was yellow, save for his pinkish orange hookbill. My little golden friend. One night, things became unusual, as often they did in those days. It happened at night. I was asleep. Things always happen at night. I woke up, feeling someone's eyes upon me. It was Bartholomew. He sat on his perch behind his blue bars, but he was so still, so silent. His dead black eyes observed me, unblinking. Not a breath was heard. I crawled out of my bed and crept slowly across the room. I stood before my dresser, where Bartholomew's cage sat. I stood, my face 3 inches away from the blue bars. And then I heard a sound. A sound I'd never heard Bartholomew make. He wheezed and whined from deep inside his chest. I smelled a smell of something mechanical, as if a computer became overheated. Bartholomew rocked back and forth on his perch. He twitched a bit. I knew surely he would fall and be dead and done. But no, Bartholomew's eyes filled with a fantastic bright light, and a few blue sparks spat from his tiny pinkish orange hookbill. And then it was done. He was Bartholomew once more, back to his old self. And in that moment, I realized things aren't always what they seem. The next morning I awoke to find Bartholomew's cage door, as well as my bedroom window, wide open. Bartholomew was gone. His big secret found out.